Welcome to CR Fuse Tap. Today I'll show you the complete fuse and relay locations for the Suzuki Xbee 2017 to 2025, including the most important fuses you need to check first. Engine compartment. Under the bonnet in the engine compartment, the fuse and relay box is located on the left side, next to the battery. Schematic of the back side of the cover. The battery plus terminal is also fitted with high-capacity fuses in the form